Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm DJ.
And I'm Sakshi. And we've been spending the last few days in Canggu in Bali. And Canggu is such a foodie's delight. There are so many amazing food options and we've tried so many different cafes and restaurants. And so we are going to do a two-part series to share that experience with you. In this first one, we are going to talk about options that we think are great for brunches, and we'll also do a subsequent video where we'll talk about some lunch, dinner and drinks options. So let's get into it.
Hey folks, today we are at Shady Shack. So this is a vegetarian and a vegan place in between the fields, rice fields. So the ambience here is so amazing. You can sit outdoors as well as indoors, but we prefer to sit outdoors as usual. And their menu has so many vegetarian items, starting from smoothies, fruit bowls or granola bowls. And they have like big breakfast menu as well. Like you have their halloumi breakfast, then they have a big breakfast, open omelette if you want to have egg, and then they even have some more salad bowls, a cheeseburger. So the list is endless and the menu looks just amazing. So we have placed our order now, waiting for our food. So our food is here. So I have ordered a heavy metal smoothie, detox smoothie, which has a lot of like blueberries, banana, then coconut water, and few other berries as well. Looks really interesting, and then the orange as well. So it looks very interesting. So I'm going to give it a try now. Oh my God, this is so good. And because of the weather is so hot, I wanted to have smoothie first before I have coffee. So it's perfect. So I wanted to have oats and banana because Pixie likes it as well. So I want to feed her as well. This is looking just insane. You can see with oats and banana are caramelized. And along with that, they have topped up with coconut and cocoa nibs. And then they have, I think, given coffee and milk separately to add in to increase more flavors. So I'm gonna dig it now. It's so satisfying and comforting, like very smooth, warm. It's too good.
Alright, so we also have a guest review on our vlog today. So we want to ask our friend Vibha on what she tried and how it was.
Hey folks, so what I ordered was the big breakfast. It had sauteed mushrooms and cherry tomatoes and wilted spinach and poached eggs and sourdough, and probably the highlight of the dish was the tomato mustard chutney. But all of it put together was a really healthy meal, enough for a brunch. I think I'm not going to be eating for a while now, but it was really tasty and it was comfort food put all in all.
Okay, so overall this place was so good. The ambience is really good. It's out in the open, it's green and eco-friendly. The service was really good. The staff was very polite and attentive and we felt taken care of.
And the food was just amazing.
Yeah, it ranged from good to amazing categories, so recommended.
And Pixie loved her smoothie as well as oats. So, thumbs up. Hey folks, today we are at Milu by Nook. So this restaurant has a very nice ambience. This is like, you feel like you're in an artistic place with a lot of indoor and outdoor seating. Especially the outdoor seating has a nice view of rice paddy fields, and they do serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. So we have come for the breakfast here and sitting outdoors. So in their breakfast menu they have usual suspects like your omelettes, then your smashed avocado, smoothie bowls, porridge, oats, and then they have healthy juices and coffee as well. So we have placed our order and we have ordered today the Balinese coffee, which smells really good. So can't wait to try it, but we are gonna wait for our food first. Because usually we like to have coffee with our food. So our first item is here. It's rustic bread. On top of that, there's a smashed avocado, along with that feta cheese and mushrooms and pickled onions and greens. So it looks really delicious. So I'm going to give it a try now. good as any other avocado toast you have in various restaurants, but I think there's a lot of feta cheese which gives you really nice saltiness, and with the pickled onion, it gives you that citrusy punch. And the bread is really nice. It's a country bread with a nice crisp outer layer, so it's quite good. So Pixie also loves avocados. She can't wait to try that now. Woo! So the other dish which we ordered is my favorite, smoothie bowls. It has a mixed berries base along with banana, granola, blueberries, dry shredded coconut, and chia seeds and flax seeds as well. So all these are my favorite always. So I'm gonna scoop it down. Just perfect. Everything goes so well together. So it's just perfect.
Ready? Okay. So Milu by Nook is amazing. It's such a nice place, especially the outdoor seating is so beautiful. It's so refreshing and pretty in the morning, and we are having a good time. The service is a tad slow because I think it's a big place and it's a busy morning, so it takes a while for the food to arrive. However, the food is good. Everything that we tried was good qualities, nice ingredients, and so overall recommended. So do visit if you're in this part of the world.
So another good breakfast place which we went to is Avocado Factory. This is a nice little cafe which has very cozy seatings, which are semi-open. And as name suggests, most of their items do have a lot of avocados in it. So for drinks, we ordered a detox, which was just amazing. It had apple, celery, cucumber, and few other things. So when we tried, it was just amazing and fresh. And when Pixie tried, she really enjoyed it as well. So for food, we ordered a katsu sandu. So this is a sandwich, and the bread was a brioche bread, which was nicely crisp from the outside, and inside it had a nice fluffy egg patty kind of thing, along with avocado, coleslaw, and wasabi mayo. So all combined together in the sandwich form was just amazing, and outside crispy, inside nice soft and gooey. So it was totally amazing. So the other dish which we ordered was avocado pancakes. As you can look at the pancakes, it looks green, so that means they added a lot of avocado in the pancake mix. And on top, they have so many more avocados along with banana, strawberries, and coconut shavings. And then serve with maple syrup along with that. So overall, and plus also an ice cream, chocolate ice cream on top of it. So combined all together, the flavors were just amazing. So overall, it's also a good dish over here. Overall, this place is very good. The service here was fantastic. The food here is great. And the coffee was okay. It could have been better. But overall, this place deserves a good 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching the video, folks.
And do hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit like, share, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And do tune in for the next part of the Canggu food series. And until then, take care. Bye-bye.